att.com/YATT. And from Eric and Wendy Schmidt through the Schmidt Family Foundation, working toward a healthy, resilient, secure world for all. On the web at theschmidt.org.
This is Fresh Air. Let's get back to Terry's interview from last year with scientist and author Rachel Lance. Her book, Chamber Divers, talks about the scientific advances and the scientists crucial to the success of the invasion of Normandy during World War II.
So what are some of the solutions that the World War II scientists came up with to help the military conduct underwater surveillance during World War II, just before D-Day, so that this was critical to the success of D-Day? One of the big things that these scientists contributed was the improvement of their ability to use not only regular-sized submarines, but miniature submarines. These tiny subs had a smaller gas volume, which made the rules of breathing physiology even more time-critical. And the scientists who were conducting these experiments on themselves were really the ones responsible for determining how much people could tolerate carbon dioxide buildup in there, how much chemical scrubber material they needed to bring with them in order to remove carbon dioxide to fulfill their missions, and how much oxygen they also needed to carry as well.
From his new companions. At one point, Esteban asks one of the ravers if he misses his family while traveling on the road. And the raver responds, "I prefer this family." That might sound like something Vin Diesel would say in a Fast and Furious movie. And as it happens, Diesel's driving skills might have come in handy here. But Lachey's film is as sincere in its tenderness as it is unrelenting in its ferocity. There's something powerful about the movie's belief that even as an apocalypse looms, kindness can survive and meaningful relationships. Just because the world is pitiless, Sirat suggests, doesn't mean that people have to be.
Justin Chang is a film critic at The New Yorker. He reviewed Sirat, now playing in select theaters. On Monday's show, actress and singer Cynthia Erivo. She returns on screen as Elkid for Good, who claims her own power even as the world deems her the Wicked Witch.